My video guide will help you to get rid of the online scam that is associated with the website called Fastlist.site. Fastlist.site. This is a deceptive website that currently attacks Google Chrome, Firefox and other browsers, but mainly in Windows computer. The website Fastlist.site tells that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. Then it tries to deceive you with a lot of other faulty messages that try to make you click on this Stay Protected button, but whenever people do that, they get redirected to some other deceptive website that may infect the system even more dramatically with some potentially unwanted programs. So the website Fastlist.site may cause unwanted redirections to random websites that are not genuine and that may infect the system with potentially unwanted programs. Typically, these pop-ups and this scam is the result of people clicking on some malicious ads that are displayed as web push notifications in the infected browser. So you need to be very careful if you see these strange pop-ups attacking your screen periodically. Make sure you deactivate them and fix your browser. Now let us do the fix. Go to the menu, click on Settings, select Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then in Permissions choose Notifications. Now carefully research the list of all the websites that are allowed to send notifications. And if you find any malicious sites here on the list that may cause such ads, get rid of these malicious and deceptive and dangerous websites. Of course, you may consider checking the list of your browser extensions by going to the menu, More Tools, then Extensions, and if you find any third-party extensions, get rid of them. Finally, I recommend you to research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the program, and it will help you to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner, consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.